like that?
Oh my god, I love her. I mean, ugh. Since I was a baby, I love her. So,
Well, may we all meet very soon.
Definitely. Get some external speakers for later.
Okay, I love you. I'll see you soon.
Hi everybody, my name is Baseera Khan.
Goodbye.
And I am a confusing artist to someone who's not paying attention. I make sculptures, I do performance, I like photography and writing, and I kind of try to swerve all over the highway and try to make as much different kinds of work as I can. I do have running themes in my work, themes of, assimilation and displacement and fluidity. Like I'm always trying to make sacred spaces and spaces of sanctuary. There's always like a reveal in the work, and then there's always something that's obfuscated. But one thing that I really wanted to share with you all today is the recent work that I have been filming at The Kitchen, which is a nonprofit performance arts center here in New York City called By Faith. And By Faith is something very special to me. I am looking at the form of television, and I'm trying to create an experimental TV show that's going to live in a 10-part series. So as of 2021, I'll be sitting down with the Wexner Center to do post-production on all of this work that I've been taping. I've never done this before, but I do have an aptitude for editing and moving images and acting. So we will see how it goes. And so today I wanted to share a couple of clips with you, and that way you could kind of get the feeling of what I'm trying to prepare. The other thing is I could read out loud the summary treatment that I created. Okay, so the treatment for the television pilot. Baseera Khan is an artist who has lived in Crown Heights for 10 years. Early this spring, Baseera finally moved furniture into the space, cleaned up clutter, and felt motivated to cultivate a social life, maybe even evaluate her intimacy issues, and perhaps start dating. It's been 4 years since their divorce. Then the pandemic hit, and shelter in place put a wrench in that for the foreseeable future. Now, Baseera is prone to talking to their kitchen knives and vegetables, prone to nodding off and daydreaming that they are hanging out with their friends, eating, walking, sleeping at the beach. Baseera's success has always felt like failing upwards, instead of innately earned. They are haunted, questioning their own legitimacy. If they deserve not just a seat at the table, but their own dining room table. This feeling, a systematic issue, is often felt in the BIPOC artist communities. Black and Indigenous, people of color, artist communities. Achieving love and balance seems like a radical act. Instead of just striving for a normal life, however, everyone in the world is isolated now. Is Baseera somehow doing better during the pandemic uprising and economic crisis? As we see Baseera preside over their apartment, we start to understand the world we are experiencing is all in their head. Okay, enjoy the clips.
I love how in the car you were like, did you bring masks? That's it. Mine keeps falling off.
Yours are these slugs. You just have slugs on your face. It's like you're drooping.
I pretended, but I realized that's not how you make coffee. I just pretended.
Aren't you making coffee?
I'm making coffee.
Why are these so sluggy? Look in the mirror.
Where?
And that's the mirror right there. What are those?
Slugs.
Do I look crazy?
You look a little crazy. You know? And I was like, you know, it's not how I can pay it's not what I pay my rent with.
Yeah, I would love a painting.
Okay, I love you. I'll see you soon. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. I. Goodbye, 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 goodbye.
I hope you enjoyed all of these clips. Some are not colorized yet, and some are shot on a 4K camera, and some are shot on surveillance cameras. I'm planning on having the pilot completed by mid-2021, and stay tuned on more information about where it will premiere. It's going to be very exciting. So thank you so much, and thank you, Wide Rainbow, for what you do.